The Baldor vs1sd2a10-1b is a 7.5 horsepower digital servo motor control which we received for repair from a local motor shop. This drive had a defective control board that was so severely damaged we had to replace the board. After the replacement, we powered up the servo drive and we attached it to one of our Baumuller servo motors, and as can be seen in the video, it ran perfectly fine. The scope above shows the waveform of one of the outputs as it's running, and it is a textbook PWM signal. Since 1995, ERD has repaired Baldor products, and through the 90s we were an authorized repair center for Baldor on warranty repair and for field service. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.